What's up, LNS fam? Manuel here, and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today, guys, we're gonna have a closer look at these sneakers. These are the Kybrid S2 Sashiko. Let's go! So guys, as I mentioned, we are featuring the Kybrid S2 Sashiko. So for some of you who didn't know, this is the second version of the Kybrids. The first Kybrid, or the Kybrid S1, featured Kyrie 1, 2, and 3. And then for this second version, or the S2 version, they are featuring the Kyrie 4, 5, and 6. So this Kybrid S2 version has different colorways, and this particular one is the Sashiko colorway. And for some of you who didn't know, Sashiko means literally little stabs. Sashiko is actually a form of decorative reinforcement stitching from Japan. Traditionally in Japan, Sashiko was used to reinforce points of wear or to repair worn places or tears with patches. But in modern time, they use this running stitch mostly for decorative purposes. They normally use white cotton thread to go with the traditional indigo blue cloth, similar to this one. So now let's check out the details of these sneakers, or let's start first with the right pair. So on these sneakers, we'll start with the bottom. The bottom is basically the same bottom as the Kyrie 4s. As you can see, this is the bottom of the Kyrie 4s. Now this pattern of the Kyrie 4 outsole is really good. However, you have to break them in first to attain maximum traction. Now on the heel, as you can see, there's an exposed zoom unit on the heel with the number 11. Now on the midsole, as mentioned, there is a zoom unit, but this is only for the heel. It's not a full-length zoom, and it doesn't have any 4-foot zoom unit. So basically, the cushioning system is only on the heel, which is this, as mentioned, the zoom unit on the heel. However, the midsole is actually good because it is full-length cushion. So as you can see, I haven't worn this yet, but you can see already there is creasing because this is really soft. So I'm not sure why it got creased already. I haven't even fitted the sneakers yet. But the thing is, it shows that this is really soft and comfortable. Now let's move on to the upper of the sneakers. On the forefoot, or on the toe area, this is similar to the Kyrie 4s. So they have the synthetic leather on the tip of the toe. I'm not really sure why they use the Kyrie 4s for the tip of this toe, because in my opinion, the toe guard that they use for the Kyrie 6 is much better because it's rubber. This one, since it's a synthetic leather, when you drag your foot or your toe, then this will definitely get damaged easily. So now let's move on to the midfoot. As you can see, it has the Sashiko pattern. So this was actually inspired by the Kyrie 5. So if you can remember, the Kyrie 5 has this fly trap system, or sort of like a strap, but it's not really a strap. It's actually just a cover to add more support, and of course to hide the fly wire system on the bottom. So when you tighten your laces, it gives more lockdown feel on the midfoot. So now let's move on to the back part of the sneakers, or towards the heel. So this was inspired of the Kyrie 6. As you can see, they have the same heel counter, and also they have the same ankle collar. I like that they use the Kyrie 6 for the back part of the sneakers, because this heel counter actually looks nice compared to the other heel counters or back area of the other Kyries. In fact, in my personal opinion, the Kyrie 6 are the best of all the Kyries. Well, that's only my opinion. But anyway, let's check out the other details of these sneakers. So on the upper is actually made out of textile material, And then of course this flight trap, or this sort of like a strap on the midfoot, is made out of like denim material with of course the Sashiko pattern. Now towards the lateral side you will see some Sashiko pattern, but it's in reverse. So they use this cream textile with the blue stitching. But of course the stitching is still the same as the Sashiko pattern, which is running stitch. Now I like what they did on the swoosh with the Sashiko pattern, as you can see. So it's also on the other side. So basically there's Sashiko pattern on both sides of the sneakers. Now speaking of Sashiko, it's not only the Kybrid S2 that has the Sashiko pattern. They also have the Janoskis. They also have the Blazer mids. And they also have the SB Dunk Pro. Now going back to the sneakers, the laces are your typical laces similar to the Kyrie 6. And on the tongue, they use a very nice suede material. As you can see, I'm not sure if you can see clearly. However, I'm going to be showing you some photos. Now, at the tip of the tongue, you have this Nike BB or basketball. And then on the bottom part, you have Kyrie Irving. Now, on the other pair, you have Kyrie's logo. Now, the sock liner is in gold, while the insole is plain white with Kyrie Irving's signature. Now, let's look at the other details of these sneakers. So on this part, on the heel part on the medial side, you can see the name of Kyrie Irving's mother, Elizabeth, and her birthday, which is August 13, 1967. And if you didn't know, Kyrie Irving's mom passed away when Kyrie was only 4 years old. Now the other detail on this sneaker, especially on this right pair, is over here, which is H plus H. And if you don't know what that means, it means hungry and humble. And on the left pair of the sneakers, you have over here on the heel part of the medial side, the name of Kyrie Irving's daughter, which is Azuri, and her birthday, November 23, 2015. And the other details on the sneakers is on the medial side as well. Over here, which is J.B.Y, and it means just be you. So it's nice that Kyrie Irving actually put his personal touches on his sneakers, and especially the motto, hungry and humble and just be you. So those were his mottos that he lives by every single day. Now this Kybrid S2 Sashiko was exclusively released in Japan last August 1st, but later on it was also released on the Nike website here in the Philippines. Now the retail price of this sneakers is $130 US, or here in Philippine peso, it's 6,895. But unfortunately, if you order through the Nike website, you will only get these after 3 weeks to a month. So if you order now, you'll probably get it mid-September or even later of September. However, you have an option to pay additional 750 pesos so you can get it early. Currently, the Kybrid S2 has 4 colorways. So this is one of them. This is the Sashiko colorway. They also have the What The, or a mix of different Kyries in one sneakers. And then they also have the hybrid tie-dye USA, which is this one. And lastly, they also have the fossil stone colorway. So now guys, which of the 4 you like the most? Do you like the Sashiko the most, or you like the other colorways? In my opinion, definitely this Sashiko is one of the better ones, especially if you're only going to be using it for lifestyle. However, if you're going to be playing with this, my second option will be the tie-dye USA. Now guys, since I mentioned that I'll be using this for lifestyle, let me lace this up and show you guys how it looks on feet. So guys, do you like how it look on feet? Do you think it's nice? Definitely for me, I like it. However, I'm not gonna be keeping this because when I wore it, the fit of these sneakers is definitely for basketball. It's kinda hot when you're wearing it, or it's kinda tight. The fit of these sneakers for me is true to size. It might be different for you depending on the shape of your feet. However, the fit is similar to the Kyrie 4s. Let me know your opinions about these sneakers. I would love to hear from you. Hit up the comment section down below so I could see your thoughts and opinions about these sneakers. So guys, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like these sneakers. But before we end this, let me just remind you that we have an ongoing giveaway. We're giving away up to 10 sneakers, guys, but we have to reach our goals. So please check out the description box down below to know more about the mechanics of this giveaway. Anyway guys, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Till next time.